Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado LT Trail Boss. This Silverado is featured in a North Sky Blue metallic paint finish. Under the hood we have a 5.3-liter V8 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 5-passenger seating on jet black leather seating surfaces. We have heated seats in the front of the vehicle with a power driver's seat. Also have a powered sunroof, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an integrated trailer brake controller, as well as a heated steering wheel. Outside the vehicle, we have our black alloy wheels, as well as our spray-on bed liner. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and our rear window lock. Storage with our speaker in the rest of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow and drive mode. Transfer case settings for our 4-wheel drive, all of our lighting controls including interior and exterior lighting, electronic parking brake below, power driver seat with power adjustable lumbar, seat itself finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. We have our digital information system that we can also do our audio, as well as a compass and phone connection throughout, or a digital speedometer. Down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have cruise settings and a heated steering wheel. Audio controls are tucked behind. Right-hand side, we have voice recognition, hands-free, controls for that driver information system, column shifter behind with more audio controls, as well as a push-to-start ignition. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Home button is below. We have a phone connection, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailer in lights. Second page, we have apps, our OnStar, climate settings if we don't want to use the climate below, our camera for our backup camera with adaptive and hitch guidelines. Then we also have My Chevrolet, Amazon Alexa, Chevy Maps Plus, as well as Spotify. Below it, we have volume and our mute, seek, home, back, and menu controls if we don't want to use the touchscreen. We have dual zone climate control, we have an auto mode as well as sync, front and rear defrost, fan controls, and all of our fan settings in the center. On either side, below our temperature, we have our heated driver seat as well as heated passenger seat. Across the bottom, downhill assist, our auto stop start, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, and a way to turn on our 120 volt plugs. Then we have an integrated trailer brake controller, USB-C, USB, 12 volt, and 120 volt plug in the front of the vehicle. Some storage with our 2 cup holders and more storage. You can also see our key fob on our storage space. We have locks and unlocks, a remote start system, our power tailgate, as well as a alarm system. Center console has a black leather finish as well, some storage up top and deep storage inside, with an SD slot, USB-C, USB, and aux input. Passenger seat, also finished in that same jet black leather that the driver's seat was featured in, and it has a heated function for the passenger. Moving above the rearview mirror, we have our OnStar settings at the front, dome lights on either side with dome lighting controls across the front, slide tilt sunroof settings, power sliding third rear window, universal garage door opener with our 3 settings. Then lastly, we have our sunroof with a manual sunshade in the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, we have a black bow tie on the front, red tow hooks. Moving down the side of the vehicle, Z71 off-road badging before our front door, black alloy wheel with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap, as well as all-terrain tires. Moving out, we have black cap mirrors, as well as black door handles, 2-inch factory lift throughout the vehicle, Trail Boss badging on the back. Also have our corner bumper step. All the way at the back of our tailgate, we have Chevrolet etched in, Silverado and LT in chrome, dual chrome exhaust tips, and our trailer tow hitch. Power tailgate with a single release button. Bed of the truck has LED in-bed lighting, 120 volt plug, as well as 3 cable tie downs on both the front and back on either side. Then lastly, we have our bed finished with our spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of our crew cab, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the passenger and driver's seat. 2 cup holders with storage in the back of the center console. Below it, we have our 2 vents, USB-C, USB, and 12-volt plug for charging in the back. Across the floor, all-weather rubber mats. Second row seat is a 60/40 folding split bench seating. In the center seat, we have our foldable cup holders with some storage space in the center. Power sliding third rear window behind it. In the outboard seats, we have our storage package. We can see we have some pretty deep storage in the back of the seat. You can also lift up on the bottom of the seats and fold them up, and we have under seat storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado LT Trail Boss. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.